In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a course on Gumroad. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. Gumroad is a fantastic platform to help you present and sell your course online, and I'm excited to guide you through the process step by step. First things first, the very first step is to either open the Gumroad website or log into your account if you already have one. If you're new to Gumroad, signing up is quite straightforward, so don't worry if you haven't created an account yet. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see various options available to you. Look for the section labeled Products. It's usually pretty easy to find, and it's here that all the magic begins. Click on the New Product option. Now, it's time to give your course a name. Let's say you want to create an English course. You would simply type in English course, or any name that resonates well with your course content. The title should be both informative and engaging, as it's the first thing potential learners will see. Next up, you're going to want to select the type of product you're offering. Since you're creating a course, you'll be clicking on Digital Product. This option is perfect for online courses, as it lets your customers access your course materials, videos, and resources easily online. Now, let's talk about pricing. Setting the price for your course is an important decision. Think about the value you're providing, what similar courses might cost, and what your target audience can afford. After you set the price, simply click Next to move on. In this next stage, it's time to customize your product. You'll want to add a detailed description of your course here. This is where you get to sell your course. Think about what benefits students will gain, what topics will be covered, and any other relevant details. The description should be engaging and informative, so potential buyers feel confident about purchasing your course. Now let's add some visuals to your course. You have the option to upload a thumbnail or cover image. This is an important step, as a good image can catch the eye of potential customers. Try to use an image that reflects the essence of your course or aligns with its content. Remember the saying, "A picture is worth 1,000 words." This is especially true in online marketing. Once you've added the description and visual elements, it's time to save those changes and continue. Now, the last step of the process is to upload your course content. Depending on what format your course takes, you might have video lectures, PDFs, quizzes, or other resources. Here, you simply upload these files from your computer. Make sure that the content is organized and that all of your materials are easy to access for your learners later on. After you've uploaded everything and double-checked to ensure that it's all set to go, you can hit that final button to launch your course. Congratulations! You've just created your online course on Gumroad. Now it's time to spread the word. Share your course link on social media, in emails, or in your network to start attracting students. Before we wrap up, remember that creating the course is only the beginning. Be prepared to engage with your students, update content as needed, and keep track of feedback to make your course even better over time. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more content.